Sweep servo. If you're a gamer, you can think of like sentry turrets. They're kind of similar in a weird way. The servo is a mechanical moving part that can rotate anywhere from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Our code example today will be quite literally sweep back and forth between 180 degrees. The wiring diagram is pretty simple. There's only 3 pins. We have 5 volt going to the VCC, ground going to ground, and in this case we'll be using pin 9 for the signal pin, but you can change that to whatever you want, assuming of course that you go and change that in the code below. If you wanted, you could put like a cat laser pointer at the end and then make it so your cat could have a little like toy to infinitely play with. That would be kind of a neat project idea. I don't know. There's also the robot arm that we sell that uses about, I think it's 3 or 4 of these. So to test this out, I will plug it in to the computer and I will hopefully show you guys just so you guys can see. I'm going to go here, upload, hit the upload button. And so once we wire it up, you can clearly see it's going back and forth and back and forth. So it's just going bloop. Oh, that doesn't show very well, but it's just simply going boop, 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 and that is showing the full range of motion, 0 to 180 degrees for the basic sweep servo. Obviously, this can be used for a ton of things. Like I said before, we have the robotic arm kit that uses about 4 of these to make it so you could go down, pick something up, pull it back up, twist it, etc. Has about, I don't know how many, 6 degrees of freedom or something similar to that. And anyway, that's it for this servo. Thank you.